Hi, in this video we'd like to discuss again about PCOS treatment at Antai Hospital that we offer to our patients, which has an effective recovery rate, high success rate, and today we'd like to answer a pressing question that we get from our patients, which is what are the chances of a potential recurrence of the PCOS after treatment? Now, this question means that once they receive treatment at Antai Hospital for PCOS, what are the chances of it coming back again, this PCOS? And before we go into explanation, to answer this question is that there is certainly no chance of any recurrence for PCOS. So, if you receive treatment at Antai Hospital, you will understand that Antai Hospital treats PCOS using 3D laparoscopy, and then we need to remove the abnormal presence of these testicular tissues that are fused within the ovaries that are secreting high levels of testosterone. That is why PCOS is associated with symptoms that are very close to male sex characteristics: excessive body hair, rougher voice, and then unable to get pregnant because of your ovulation being obstructed, being irregular, and it can also lead to ectopic pregnancies, infertility, recurrent miscarriage, so on and so forth. It is a condition with several symptoms, clinical symptoms, and it can lead to problems in your fertility journey. But we can effectively treat this condition because we can pinpoint the locations of these abnormal tissue using isotope tracers, and under fluorescence we can clearly identify which tissue is abnormal and which tissue is normal. And we don't want to remove normal tissue. In this case, it's ovarian tissue. We only remove the abnormal tissue. This treatment is so effective that it comes with a full refund guarantee at Antai Hospital. Antai Hospital has been doing this treatment for the past 20 years, and we have yet to see a failure, because the key is to remove all of these abnormal tissues completely. Now, if the tissues are removed completely, there will be no chance of any recurrence. However, in the early days, in the first 15 years ago, when we first introduced this treatment at Antai Hospital, yes, there are chances of a potential recurrence because there may be some limitations with the fluorescence and the isotope tracer, not completely showcasing and identifying which is the abnormal tissue from the ovarian tissue. But as medical technology progresses and develops into today, in 2022 Antai Hospital, our isotope tracers and our ability to separate abnormal and normal ovarian tissue has improved significantly. That is why this treatment is offered to our patients with a full refund guarantee. Now, it is unlikely that you will see any recurrence. The only case that you will see recurrence is because the tissues were not removed completely and cleanly. That is why at Antai Hospital, we offer this treatment to anyone who's seeking PCOS, especially those who are struggling to get pregnant, struggling with infertility, miscarriages. This condition is in fact treatable at Antai Hospital because we know that PCOS is an organic disease. If an organic disease is completely treated once effectively, there's no chance of recurrence. The only potential cause of a recurrence is because that surgeon that did the surgery did not completely remove it. Now, rest assured, at Antai Hospital, we guarantee success, and we can ensure that your next pregnancy will be a successful one, and all the symptoms associated will dissipate, quality of life will improve, your ovulation will be regular, and it's definitely something that you need to consider if you are serious about improving your life, recovering from this condition, and also attaining successful pregnancies. This treatment is offered to all who are interested, so do share to those who are suffering from PCOS, seeking pregnancy, seeking effective recovery without any dependence on medication. This is a one-time effective surgery. It comes with a full refund guarantee. If treatment outcome is unsatisfactory, or if you still experience ovulation problems, pregnancy failures, we are obligated to refund you the full treatment cost. So please visit the link via the website, set up a consultation, let's make arrangements happen for you to receive this treatment, and also leave me some feedback down below.